This 2022 Leisure Travel Unity U24RL is a Class B RV. It is located in Alvarado, Texas, 76009 and is offered for sale by Motorhome Specialist. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Leisure Travel is 25 feet 0 inches in length. This 2022 Leisure Travel Unity U24RL is built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.